Tell me one behavior we all should adopt.
Reading a lot, being a student, that's a big part of my success.
Tell me one behavior we all should adopt.
Well, the behavior that's helped me is basically being a student all the time, wanting to learn things and being pretty brutal with myself of, do I really understand, what's going on? And then, knowledge, if you're careful about building your knowledge, it all kind of connects together. But, reading a lot, being a student, having people who can teach me, that's, been not only fun for me, but also a big part of my success.
If you were to start something from zero in India today, where would you put most of your time? And what's the first step you'll take?
Well, you'd mostly start a company because you think you enjoy working on something and you think you have a world-class understanding of, a unique contribution. For me, that was software. AI is sort of today's equivalent of what I did when I was young, to see, wow, the possibilities are unlimited. And so, I'd probably be doing one of these new AI companies if I was starting out today.
So what would you advise young people to start learning today, and from where?
To everyone. And so you ought to be a user of AI. But the underlying stuff, that's a pretty narrow set of people who will have an opportunity to, push on a new training method. And even people who grew up with software, some of them don't really get this because it's a bit more mathematical than it is just a programming type thing. So it's as a user that, okay, if you like doing creative work, yes, AI is going to change your world, and AI hopefully can help you do things faster and better. So my prescription would be, yes, to use it for the areas that you're excited about.
Any area that you're excited about, learn about that and try to make a bridge between AI and that industry.
It's a great time to be a learner, right?